folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here, out here at the Avon Park Aero Mullet Club. We're going to take up one of the Black Friday sale planes, the Aero's Marlin. Have a little bit of fun with her. Motor on. Right, left, up, down, right, left. All right. Now the only thing I've done different with this Marlin is I've added the gear from the FMS Futura 64 that you can also get on the HOBBYZONE website. All right, here we go. A little windy today. That's okay. Marlin can more than handle it. I'm running an AR 630 Spectrum antennaless receiver in her. Like I said, it's a little windy today, but that's all right.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Trying to keep the plane in a little bit. I'm cruising around half throttle now. All right, full throttle into the wind. Gonna take her up. All right. All right, let's slow her down now.
Landing flaps.
Well, wind, ooh. Even though it's windy, landing flaps slows the jet down. All right, wind will too, but well, the sun looks good on that fuselage. All right, here we go. Now that's nice. All right.
Flaps up.
Bring her back down here. And let's give you a demonstration of grass ops. That's one of the reasons I did the mod. Oh wait, do you need to have flaps in?
Take off flaps.
Come on. Oh, grass is too thick there. Can't even see the wheels.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Tell you what we'll do is we'll go over here. We'll try it from here. Yeah, there we go.
Flaps up.
Just a great locked in little plane. Great EDF, great first choice. If you want to get into the EDF world, get you a stabilized receiver, a gyroed receiver, and this is just a perfect choice. Very stable. I'm only going along at half throttle right now. Run a 2700 Liperior 4S in her. This will be a no flap landing. There we go. We'll turn around here. All right, we're going to take off with the wind. Turn back towards us and then back towards the highway. That way you got to see the underside. All right, we're going to bring the plane by low.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Low and fast and close to us. There we go.
Landing flaps.
All right. Oh, I got 3 or 4 landings for the price of 1 there. All right, I think we got enough juice for 1 more. What do you say?
Flaps up. Landing flaps. 30 seconds.
There you go, grass landing. Took off in the grass, was able to show you how she lands in the grass. Well folks, that is the Arrows RC Marlin, part of their big Black Friday sale that starts November 17th. Here, let me turn back towards the mic, or turn towards the camera. Sometimes my mic cuts out when I turn away. That sale starts November 17th. I don't have the actual figures. I know the normal price on this is going to be $219, I believe, and there's going to be a Black Friday sale that will take more money off of that. But then I'm going to be giving you a promotional code with a description of this video, and it will be able to take even more off of that. That's my code that I'm passing on to you. And great flying plane. I just it doesn't come with a receiver. You got to provide your own receiver. I highly recommend a stabilized receiver like the AR630. Running a 2700 Superior in there. Great flying plane, runs real well. And I didn't fly full time, but let's see how much is left on the battery, just because. Oh, never mind, don't bring my checker with me. Well, anyways, that's the Arrows Marlin, and she's a great flying plane. She's got flaps. The stock gear that come with it is just fine. I just like using I just wanted to see if this gear would work on off the FMS Futura 64, and it does. It's a nice little upgrade to run you about 20 bucks altogether to put that in there. Just simple drop in, no mod at all. Just plug it in just like you did the stock gear, but the stock gear is just fine the way it is. Great flying plane, great first EDF. I just suggest you get a stabilized receiver. And this is Fat Guy Flies RC and saying thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Don't forget, folks, faith, family, and friends. And big shout out to HOBBYZONE for this plane. God bless y'all. Bye-bye.